Welcome back to Allie's Leaf Lab. Today we're going on an exciting adventure featuring 10 amazing gardening hacks. Join us as we uncover simple secrets that will make you say, I gotta try that. Hack number 1, egg carton seed starters. Have you ever thought of starting your seeds in eggs? Well, don't just eat the eggs, start your seeds in them instead. Simply fill each cup with soil and start your seeds right inside. They're biodegradable and super easy to transplant. Hack number 2, banana peel fertilizer. Did you know banana peels can be a great fertilizer for your plants? Cut them up and bury them near your tomatoes or roses. As they break down, they'll release potassium and phosphorus, giving your plants a natural boost. Hack number 3, cinnamon as a fungus fighter. Sprinkling cinnamon on your seedling soil can help prevent mold and damping off. It's like a natural antifungal spray. Hack no. 4, watering with a sponge. Want to help your potted plants retain moisture and prevent root rot? Place a sponge at the bottom of the pot. It's like a little water reservoir for your plants. Hack number 5, DIY mini greenhouses. You can use clear plastic containers or bottles to make mini greenhouses over your seed trays. This creates a humid environment that can help your seeds sprout faster. Hack number 6, toilet paper rolls for root veggies. If you're growing carrots or beets, use toilet paper rolls to create individual growing chambers. Just plant the whole thing in the ground. The cardboard will break down and your roots will have plenty of room to grow. Hack number 7, coffee grounds and compost. Add coffee grounds to your compost pile for an extra boost of nitrogen. Just make sure to mix them in well so they don't make the compost too acidic. Hack number 8, water with rainwater. If you can collect rainwater in a bucket or a barrel, plants love the natural water. It's free of chlorine and full of micronutrients. Hack number 9, string trellises for climbers. Growing cucumbers, peas, or beans, help them climb a simple string trellis. It's an easy way to save space and make harvesting your veggies a breeze. And finally, hack number 10, name your plants. Okay, this one's not really a hack, but kids who have a name for their plants are more likely to take care of them. So give your plants fun names and watch your garden grow. Hello, Basil the Basil. So which hack was your favorite? Try one this week and let me know how it goes. And remember, the best hacks come from you, the viewers. So keep sharing your gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening.